America is short more than 454,000 construction workers this year, and that hole isn't getting filled by hiring. So the country did something else entirely. It started building the workers themselves. Right now, across job sites nationwide, machines are quietly stepping in to do the jobs no one is left to do. And we're not talking about clumsy factory arms bolted to a floor. We're talking about robots that tie steel, print entire houses, dig trenches on their own, and finish walls with a precision no human hand can match. Some of these machines are already out there, working faster than any crew ever could. In this video, we're going to look at the 8 most incredible construction robots working today. Stick around until the end, because the number 1 machine will definitely leave you speechless. Number 8. SAM 100. We're kicking things off with a machine that does one of the oldest jobs on Earth, but at a speed that borders on ridiculous. The SAM 100 is a bricklaying robot, and while the average human worker lays around 500 bricks in a single day, this machine cranks out up to 3,000. That's 6 times the output, without a coffee break, without a sore back, without ever slowing down. It works through a smart combination of a conveyor belt, a robotic arm, and a concrete pump, grabbing each brick, applying the mortar, and setting it firmly into the wall. But here's the catch, and it's a fascinating one. It still can't do it alone. A human works right alongside it, smoothing the mortar as the robot places each brick. And it has its weaknesses. On long, straight walls, it's unstoppable, but throw in curves and constant changes of direction and it struggles. At around $500,000, it's a serious tool for serious contractors. Number 7. Spot Arm. If you've seen videos of walking robots, you probably know Spot, Boston Dynamics robot dog. But now it has a robotic arm that turns it into something completely different. An autonomous industrial worker capable of opening doors, manipulating objects, turning valves, and pressing buttons, essentially interacting with infrastructure designed for humans. Spot with its arm is already inspecting nuclear plants, oil platforms, and subway tunnels without putting human lives at risk in toxic or dangerous environments. Its 3D navigation system allows it to move through terrain impossible for wheeled robots. And most impressively, its AI learns from each mission, becoming more efficient over time. Mining companies are already using it to explore unstable tunnels before sending in workers, proving its value in the most extreme situations. What's most fascinating, and unsettling at the same time, is how this robot blurs the line between tool and collaborator, because it doesn't replace humans, but rather assists them in tasks no human should have to do. Yet it raises an inevitable question. If a robot can walk like a dog, see like a human, and work like an engineer, how long before they become a daily part of our lives? The answer might be sooner than you think. Number 6. Canvas. Finishing drywall is one of those skills that looks easy until you try it. Get it wrong and every crooked seam shows up under the lights forever. Normally it takes a traditional apprentice about 4 years to master that smooth, flawless finish. The canvas robot cuts that down to something almost unbelievable. This machine rolls up to a wall, scans it, and then sands, coats, and finishes it with a level of consistency that most veterans would envy. But the truly surprising part isn't the technology at all. From the very beginning, the company built and tested this robot inside a painters' union training facility, working hand in hand with the tradespeople themselves. The result? A crew that would normally need 4 years to get good can now be fully trained and producing high-quality work in just 4 months. Instead of replacing the worker, it hands them a superpower. It's one of the clearest signs yet that these machines and human hands are learning to work together. Number 5. Field printer. Before a single wall goes up, someone has to mark the floor, drawing the exact lines that tell every crew where everything goes. Get those lines wrong, and the entire building goes wrong with it. For decades, this was done by hand, slowly, with tape measures and chalk. The dusty Robotics field printer changed all of that. Picture a small robot the size of a lawnmower gliding across a bare concrete floor, printing perfect, full-scale blueprints directly onto the surface. A human crew might mark 8,000 to 15,000 square feet in a shift. This machine covers between 40,000 and 70,000, and it does it with an accuracy tighter than 1/8 of an inch, thinner than a stack of a couple of business cards. On one massive 500,000 square foot project, it shaved a full week to 10 days off the schedule and saved up to $50,000. This little machine has quietly become the standard on some of the biggest job sites in the country. Number 4. Taibbot and Ironbot. Now here's where things get heavy, literally. Tying steel rebar together is brutal, back-breaking work. Thousands of tiny knots bent over all day long. These two robots were built to end that misery, and they work as a devastating team. Taibbot rolls in and gets to work within just 2 hours of arriving on site, tying more than 2,100 rebar intersections every single hour using cameras that can see exactly where each crossing sits. In a standard 8-hour shift, it ties over 9,600 knots, and it does it in any weather, rain, or shine, hour after hour. Its partner, Ironbot, handles the muscle, lifting and placing bundles of steel weighing up to 5,000 pounds, roughly the weight of a full-grown rhino. On one bridge project in Florida, work that was supposed to take 14 days got finished in just 7. Together, this pair can cut installation time in half, turning one of the ugliest jobs on any site into something that practically runs itself. Number 3. Built Robotics Exosystem. Everything so far has needed a human somewhere close by. This one flips that idea on its head. The Built Robotics Exosystem takes an ordinary excavator, the kind you see digging up highways, and turns it into a fully autonomous machine that digs on its own through the night. It's a kit that gets bolted onto standard equipment, letting the excavator dig trenches without anyone sitting in the cab. And the numbers back it up. It delivers a 45% jump in productivity over a single human operator, running at 93% uptime and carving out 191 feet of trench every hour. Why does this matter so much right now? Because of the explosion in giant data centers, those enormous buildings that power the internet. Digging their foundations means moving mountains of dirt, and demand has gone through the roof. Built Robotics saw its autonomous excavators deployed on data center sites jump by 47% in a single year. If you've enjoyed the countdown so far, hit subscribe because the last 2 machines are the ones people can't stop talking about. Number 2. Icon Vulcan. Everything until now has helped build things faster. This machine builds the entire thing itself. Icon's giant printer, called Vulcan, prints houses. Real, livable houses, squeezed out layer by layer like toothpaste from a tube, except the toothpaste is a special concrete that hardens into solid walls. Right now, this machine can deliver a single-story, 2,000 square foot home in just 7 to 10 days, and it only needs 2 people to run it. It has already printed an entire neighborhood, offering 3D printed homes at prices below what the market usually demands, with wall systems starting as low as $25 per square foot. But here's the part that sounds like science fiction and isn't. The company has already printed a 1,700 square foot practice habitat designed for Mars, and it's now partnered with NASA to figure out how to print shelters on the moon using the dust already sitting up there. This machine may end up building humanity's first homes off this planet. Number 1. Proofrock. And here we are at number 1. And this one proves that sometimes the biggest breakthrough is hiding in the most boring job imaginable: digging a hole. Proofrock is a tunnel boring machine, one of those massive underground drills the length of a train, and instead of being lowered down a shaft by a crane like every other tunneling machine, it simply tilts its nose to the ground and buries itself, chewing its own way down until it levels off to dig straight ahead. Here's what makes it special. A normal tunneling machine crawls forward, then stops dead to bolt in the lining that holds the tunnel open, while Proofrock never stops, digging and lining at the same time, which is why it's aiming for more than a mile of finished tunnel every week and, one day, 7 miles in a single day. And the part that sounds like pure science fiction? During normal operation, there isn't a single person down in that tunnel. The whole thing running on electricity and controlled from a room up on the surface. These 8 machines prove one thing beyond any doubt. The future of construction isn't coming. It's already pouring the concrete and tying the steel right now. What once needed hundreds of workers and months of labor is being done by machines that never tire and never quit. And this is only the beginning. In the coming years, you'll see more of these robots on more sites, digging, printing, and building at a pace that would have sounded impossible a decade ago. So tell me, out of all these machines, which one would you trust to build your own house? And which one wouldn't you let near it? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video blew your mind, hit like and subscribe, because what's coming in the next one is even bigger. See you in the next one.